2S battery hooked up to a 45 amp Hobbywing speed control to a Turnigy 9X 8C receiver. White cable is installed to the soundboard. Plug is placed in for the programming cable. Cable's in the right location. Black is ground, red is receiver, and white is transmission. Okay. I will now plug in the USB. Tablet recognizes the device. Blue light, which I have no idea whether that light is supposed to be there or not. No documentation that states that, whether it's supposed to be there or not. Turn on the ESC. Single beep indicates that it's set to auto start. So as soon as I turn on my radio in the vehicle, the sound would start. So I know that it is recognizing everything that I have connected. Alright, so I'm going to go to the tablet. This is the program from Benedini, TBS Flash. Alright, select TBS Micro, because this is the same device as the Micro. TBS Micro's here. I select the COM port, COM1, because this only has one port, and connect. Module did not answer. So no matter what I do, it will not recognize the module. I have the latest driver for the programming piece from Benedini, and it is recognized on the computer obviously because it shows it as COM1, but I cannot get the module to be recognized in order to do the programming. This is in the right location because, as it should be, the white, which is the transmission, should be at the first pin. The first two pins are actually for the learn mode, and I can show here. This is from Benedini. This shows the pin outlets. If you'll notice, the first two pins on the lower right hand side, just below A3, it says learn. Those two pins, if you're not using a programming cable, you short those two pins, and then that puts it between auto start, toggle switch, where you can attach a switch to be able to activate the sound, or a 12 position encoder. Okay, this is a programming cable that is you can purchase through Benedini for theirs. It is actually a 4-wire because it also supplies a 5-volt power. This here is your let me see here, it shows, let me go back up top here, right here. It says, note, programming cable must be connected with this brown wire, which is the darkest wire in the picture I just showed you, at the outer right side of the PCB. And that is how it is indicated. Power is provided through the receiver by one of the prop inputs. And one of the prop inputs, that is here, which is how I have it set up. This right here is where the Y adapter is hooked up.